A car engine is like the heart of your car. It's the powerhouse that makes everything go. It takes energy from fuel and turns it into mechanical energy. This energy is what turns the wheels and makes your car move. Without an engine, your car would just be a very expensive sculpture. In this essay, we will learn all about car engines, from how they work to how to install one. Understanding how your engine works can help you keep your car running smoothly. It can also help you become a more knowledgeable car enthusiast. So let's pop the hood and take a closer look. Car engines might seem complicated, but they're really just a bunch of parts working together. One of the most important parts is the piston. The piston moves up and down inside the cylinder. The crankshaft is another key player. Think of it like the conductor of an orchestra. It connects to the pistons and turns their up and down motion into rotational force. The cylinder is like the piston's home. It's a tube-shaped space where the piston moves up and down. Finally, we have the spark plug. It's the spark of life for the engine. It creates the spark that ignites the fuel. Now that we know the main parts, let's see how they work together. It all starts with a little spark from the spark plug. This spark ignites the fuel and air mixture inside the cylinder. When the fuel burns, it creates a small explosion. This explosion pushes the piston down inside the cylinder. The piston is connected to the crankshaft, so when the piston moves, the crankshaft rotates. This rotational force from the crankshaft is what powers the car's wheels. The whole process happens over and over again, thousands of times per minute. That's what keeps your car moving. Installing a car engine is a complex process that requires mechanical expertise. It's best left to trained mechanics. However, if you're an experienced mechanic, here's a simplified guide. Step 1. Disconnect the battery and drain the fluids. This includes the engine oil, coolant, and transmission fluid. Step 2. Remove the old engine. This involves disconnecting all the wires, hoses, and mounts that hold the engine in place. Step 3. Prepare the new engine. This may involve transferring some parts from the old engine. Step 4. Install the new engine. Carefully lower the new engine into the engine bay and bolt it in place. Finally, reconnect everything, refill the fluids, and start the engine. Remember, engine installation is a complex procedure. Always consult a professional mechanic for guidance.